This is going to be a video tutorial on how to flip an image in Canva. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Canva here. I have Canva open now. I am using the browser version. To flip an image, I have an image right here, and as you can see, the image off to the right of it, I have flipped it. The way to do that, the first thing you want to do is left-click on the image to select it. I have my image selected now. Then you go right up to the top up here, and you can see it says flip. Click on flip. Then you could flip it horizontal or flip it vertical. I'm going to click on flip horizontal. Now as you can see, I have flipped the picture back the other way. I'm going to left click on it again. I'm going to go up to the top up here to where it says flip. I'm going to click on flip. Then I'm going to go down to where it says flip vertical. I'm going to click on flip vertical. Now I have flipped the picture upside down. That is how to flip an image in Canva. Thanks for watching.